Hey, what's up, YouTube? As you can see, some changes happened. 33s, Swampers. They're not mine. I just threw them on there to see what they look like and let my brothers my 31s for a run that we're gonna go on for the snow wheeling trip, since I had some all trains and all he had was these and those, but these were lent to us from a friend, so I figured why not throw them on, and they look sweet. 33s, 3-inch lift is like perfect. Stock gearing, of course, because you know I don't got time to re-gear or money to re-gear, so, and I'm gonna have my 31s on for a long time anyway. Because I don't want to be under-geared for the trails, on the trails. But yeah, it's like, looks really cool. So yeah, there ain't really much to say other than put some 33 Swampers on it compared to the stock one, the stock YJ with worn out leaf springs and 30-inch tires. Mine's higher by a lot. So yeah. Yep. It's slowly growing. But anyway, a stock size tire, or size 31. I'm not gonna run these on the road, because I don't got my driver's license, because the pandemic or whatever. So, and they're Swampers, and I don't want to be under-geared for trails and stuff, so I'm gonna put my 31s back on, my 31s back on, and see if I can, later on, I'm gonna re-gear 488s, or put some different axles on, like 44s all around. 44s front and rear, Dana 44s, front and rear, and get it where it has 488 and a selectable locker and 33s. But that's all in the future. This was a fun little video that I decided to throw together. I'll throw a clip in of it going up the RTI ramp. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. 4-cylinder YJ, stock gearing with 33s with a 3.5-inch lift going up the RTI ramp. Yeah, she's flexing pretty good. Doesn't matter what size tire run I ran at, 28, 31, and 33. All on this Jeep. And they all got up to the same, up to this bar. This one, these tires got a little bit less because the back rubbed before the bump stop kicked in or anything. So it couldn't fully go. But yep, 3-inch lift with 33-inch super Swampers. Rubs a little bit when it's fully like this, but I think she's fine. So, yeah. Looks pretty good.